Whenever in mathematics people are thinking, right now I said theta is your slope, but actually in mathematics theta is not slope, theta is just an angle. But in this chapter we consider theta itself as a slope. I will explain what I mean. See guys, if you have x-axis and y-axis, and here if you are drawing any line, and if this line makes angle theta, so this theta you will not say as slope. No, totally wrong. But how will you find out slope? So using this theta, find out tan theta, and tan theta will give some value. That is going to be your slope. This theta put in tan, and that will give you some value. That value is going to be slope. But right now in this chapter, why I am repeating again theta is slope, theta is slope, theta is slope, theta is slope? Because same mathematics gives you one more freedom. What is that freedom? If your theta is very less, like tends to 0, but considerable, of course considerable, in that case your tan theta by theta limit theta tends to 0, this question gives you answer 1. It means if you multiply theta here, then you get tan theta approximately equal to theta. Okay, so when your theta is very small, then only your sin theta goes to theta and tan theta also goes to theta. Now this assumption has very strong role play when I will be teaching you flight mechanics. There we have gliding and climbing. There we consider this very brilliantly. Okay, now see. So this 1 by r you can write as d2y by dx square, and your r is radius of curvature. And tan theta you will write approximately equal to theta. And this is nothing but dy by dx. This comes from mathematics. Okay, this is not the logic of this chapter. This comes from mathematics, and of course it is going to be a small quantity, because when theta is very less, your tan theta will also be very less, because you can feel this tan theta is just 1 till 45 degree. Like from 0 degree to 45 degree, tan theta is just 1. Exactly at 45 it is 1, but after 1 it is growing like badly, and it at 90 degree it is being infinite. Can you imagine how many numbers it is traveling? So if you come down, like when your angle is very less, like 8 degree, 10 degree, it's like you can definitely consider your tan theta is in terms of theta. Okay, so your 1 by r is equal to d2y by dx square, tan theta is equal to theta, that you will write as dy by dx, and please mention small. And after that I have given you flexural equation, right? So from the flexural equation, now you can use may, you know this trick, I told you this trick, right? So using the trick you can write the equation. What is the trick? Trick is may I show you extra round. So from this I took this part and this part, because now here we are talking about slope, deflection, blah blah things, so geometry is coming into picture. So that's why I am clubbing these two people together. Okay, and you understand. Okay, copy down this much, copy down this much. Okay, I'll go to previous page first. Let them complete this page.